Hi there, welcome to our video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to search a single company profile or enrich a company list with relevant business data. Start by entering the company name. The result will reveal a detailed company profile along with a list of employees. From this list, you can handpick leads, reveal their emails, and add them to specific lists one by one. Alternatively, you can predefine the number of results and add them in bulk to your destination list. You can then directly access the list to see the profiles and reveal the emails of these professionals. Another way to find prospects is through bulk company search under the bulk tab. Upload your source file. Use the slider to define the number of email results you want per company. Select a destination list or create a new one. Then click the Review File button to map the columns. This ensures that your output data is organized correctly with the right information under the right columns. Once everything is mapped, click Launch to start the bulk enrichment process. This method is especially useful if you already have a curated list of companies and need to find professionals at scale. For any questions, please feel free to send us an email. I hope this was helpful and meet you in the next video.